How much should I pay for local SEO? The cost of local SEO services can vary widely depending on the scope of the project, competitiveness of your local market, and the specific services offered by the SEO provider. On average, small businesses might spend anywhere from a few hundreds to a few thousands dollars per month on local SEO. Some factors that can influence the cost include the number of keywords you're targeting, size of your website, the amount of content creation required, and also the level of competition in your area. It's essential to get quotes from multiple SEO agencies or consultants and discuss your specific needs and goals to determine a more accurate cost estimate for your local SEO efforts. Keep in mind that investing in quality local SEO can have a significant impact on your online visibility and ultimately your business's success.